Hello dear students, today we will discuss Laplace transform of integral theorems. Theorem इस प्रकार है, if L of ft equal to fs, then L of 0 to t fx dx equal to fs divided by s. Again I repeat the statement of integral theorem of Laplace transform. If L of ft equal to fs, then L of 0 to t fx dx equal to fs divided by s. So this is the statement of integral theorem of Laplace transform. Now proof of this theorem. Let gt equal to 0 to t fx dx, then g dash t equal to ft and g of 0 equal to 0. Now we know that the first derivatives of Laplace transform in terms of g, L of g dash t equal to s into L of gt minus g of 0. Therefore, by equation 1, because g of 0 equal to 0, that means this statement, the first derivatives becomes L of ft equal to s of L of gt by equation 1. Therefore, we get L of gt equal to fs divided by s, because L of ft equal to fs. So this is the proof of the integral theorem of Laplace transform. अब आइए इससे रिलेटेड हम लोग एग्जाम्पल देखते हैं. So the example is example number 1. Prove that L of 0 to t sine of 2u du equal to 2 divided by 2 of s square plus 4. Solution. Here L of sine 2t equal to 2 divided by s square plus a square. By the simple formula of Laplace transform, sine of at is a divided by s square plus a square. That's why in place of a here 2, that means Laplace of sine of 2t is written as 2 divided by s square plus a square, and this is denoted by fs as we say. Therefore, L of 0 to t sine of 2u du equal to fs divided by s by the integral theorem of Laplace transform. That means we have the result fs is 2 divided by s square plus 2 of a square. That means in place of as fs here 2 divided by s square plus 2 square, that means 4, and s is as it is, so the result becomes 2 divided by s of s square plus 4 by equation 1. Now another example. Evaluate L of 0 to t sin x divided by x of dx. Solution. Since we know that Laplace of sin t is 1 divided by s square plus 1, because in place of a here 1, that's why the result is 1 divided by s square plus 1, and it is denoted by fs. Say, therefore sin t divided by t is integration over s to infinity fs ds. By the result of Laplace transform, L of sin t divided by t can be written as integration over s to infinity fs ds. That means s to infinity as it is, limit, and here in place of fs, as we know here fs is 1 divided by s square plus 1. That means substitute here 1 divided by s square plus 1 ds, and ds divided by s square plus 1, integration of ds divided by s square plus 1 is tan inverse s. On substituting the limit s to infinity, we get tan inverse infinity minus tan inverse s, and tan inverse infinity is pi by 2 minus tan inverse s. Therefore it becomes cot inverse s, because we know that tan inverse x plus cot inverse x equal to pi by 2. Therefore, we get L of 0 to t sin x divided by x of dx is fs divided by s. That means here is fs cot inverse S divided by S. Another example related to integral theorem of Laplace transform. See here, if L of ft, that means t tends to S, equal to Fs, so that L of 0 to t fu du divided by u, t tends to S, is 1 by S, S to infinity fy dy. Solution: let gt equal to fs divided by t. Then we know that L of gt equal to L of ft divided by t, and ft divided by L of ft divided by t is S to infinity fs ds, and result of this is denoted by gs, and that is, we say that where fs equal to L of ft, we know that for gt, L of 0 to t gu du can be written as gs divided by s by the integral theorem. Therefore, L of 0 to t fu du divided by u can be written as 1 by s, S to infinity fs ds, because here gs, see here, on substituting the value of gs is S to infinity fs ds. That's why we substitute here the value of gs, that means S to infinity fs ds, and 1 by s as it is. So the result becomes L of 0 to t fu du divided by u, t tends to s, is 1 by s, S to infinity fy dy. So this is the theorem of integral theorem of Laplace transform and related problems. Thank you.